Hey guys, what's up? Okay, third retake on this video. Alright, so cyberbullying is not okay in any way, shape, or form. That means that you have a problem with the video that I recently did and you want to keep coming back to comment on my video. Okay, A, go ahead. It's only going to increase my numbers on YouTube. Thank you for that. That's all I'm saying on that note, other than the fact there's a report button right beside that comment. Do what you want to do. You need help if you come in here to my channel to comment. And that's bullying, cyberbullying. It doesn't matter that I might be older than you. Oh, and let me just clarify too. Don't say crap about my kid. Ain't no reason to. Get over yourself. Okay, on that note, I was going to go ahead and screen share, but at the moment, my screen share computer is occupied with somebody that's sleeping in the bedroom right now because he was working late. Go figure on that one. I may try to get that one up this weekend, I think. Calendar, or I call them calendars, y'all call them planners. I've even seen them called bullet journals. They are pretty much a combination of bullet journals, which is just another word for planners. So I do have that up on my website. If anybody doesn't know what I'm talking about on that first topic, sorry guys. That was all I'm going to say on that one. It just makes my interactions go up. And so, I wanted to say a good bit more, but that just appeases them. So, I'm not going to do that, but sure, keep on commenting all you want to. There's a block button. I got many more block buttons than you guys have extra YouTube channel names. Apparently, y'all don't have a life. I do. So, anyway. That is just directed to those that are coming here commenting about the last video that I did and that I'm leaving up. It's not the only one out there that needs help. Y'all want to assume that I may be talking about one specific person? It's just the timing of the things. So, it's not the only person out there to ever do that. There are tons of people, including the ones that keep coming here and commenting, that need help. Y'all need some major help. All right, I see a shadow that just walked by. Probably being my husband outside, peering through the mirror, the window, whatever the hell it is. Anywho, I would turn around and look at him, but hey. Anyway, so on these calendars that I have done, I did do some blank ones. I did do some neat ones, I think, with the I call them the social media planners, and they are going to be up on my website. You can actually go ahead and click on the link and enter your email. After you click the link, enter your email and download them. And so I will definitely leave my link down below. Of course, it is the unpopularmom.com. I want to try to get some other printables up for you guys as well on my website too. Just a way of saying thank you to everybody that's not playing, which I know the majority of you are not. Crazy time that we live in that Spike could just come on your channel. So, sorry guys, they just irked me. I was saying a whole lot in my last video that I won't post on that one. At least not at the moment, unless they keep coming back. Talking smack, y'all. If you got nothing better to do than to come here on my channel and talk smack, you have a problem. Definitely have a problem. Most definitely stay in school, don't do drugs. Y'all need some serious help for the ones commenting on here. Anywho, enough drama on my page. I don't like drama. I don't know how it happened to find me here, but y'all, it did. Sorry, y'all. Apologize for any comments out there that y'all may have seen that y'all might not wanted to have seen. Deleted those, and then I tried to hide everybody else from my channel that I don't want seeing it, but hey, whatever. We will all just have to get on over ourselves because it's not the big picture. Anyway, these planners are cool. I took a few hours this week and made some cool things, not just those planners, but I do also have coming up, I've got Instagram chart for you guys too, and I promise I will be doing some live videos very, very soon. I want to call it the beta mini classes, so if you guys want to sign up for those, they will be completely free, and so let me know. I am going to be doing one on TubeBuddy, a few on Pinterest, and then other things I learned along the way as well, without giving out the whole thing. Today I did want to talk about one thing that I did have on the sheet. Sorry, I got to move me down there. One thing that I did have on one of the sheets that I want to walk through and do a screen share when I do have time to do that. One is talking about going ahead and Googling, pick like 8 topics that are your favorite. Let's say if you will, I won't use that specific one, bullet journaling. If you want to go ahead, I hope Alexa doesn't talk. Sorry guys, I got her in the background here, and she just likes to chit chat. Anywho, we should do some jokes with her about that right now. Okay. Let's say if you Google bullet journaling, but I can't even talk tonight. Sorry guys. Bullet journaling. If you Google that, or let's say if you want to Google iPhone 11 or even Android, whatever. If you want to Google one of those, and it's going to start showing you topics, and then you can pick those topics. And then if you want to know what people are looking up about it, like if you click on the down arrow, let's say if you Google how to sorry, I just went completely dumb. How to start a YouTube channel, which is one that I will be doing soon as well. I figure most of you guys already know how to do that. There are people out there, though, that want to start. They don't know exactly how. And I remember when I started actually doing the process, sometimes the actual first few steps, like the first 3 to 5, something, 3 to 7, who knows, out there, are a little bit confusing, when you get into the Google AdSense and things like that, and then the branding on the channel, that portion of it. So if you Google like how to start a YouTube channel, it's going to tell you, it's going to give you some highlights when you first Google it. And then if you click the right arrow down over here, then that's going to give you some more topics. And then let's say if you want to look up how to make a flip book, I think it was Jenny that did one on one of her last ones, one that I did leave, do a shout out to, and my shout outs will be back to normal broadcasting times this week. So anyway, yeah, it's been a weird week with weird people. And then it's going to give you some steps on how to do that. And then if you click that down arrow on the right, it's going to show you even more steps on how to do that. So you can use those hints to, look up topics for the next year if you wanted to, and make a chart and just copy paste into your chart as far as the title goes. That's the only thing I'm saying, copy paste is the title. Of course, you cannot copy paste and just do a blog on that. You have to, of course, write it yourself, or that's also plagiarism. And then big topic there, YouTube does say that you have to have your own content on your videos, and then I think there are some sideways regulations about that, though. If you do like of course, collaboration doesn't count on that. If you do a compilation, I've seen somebody actually get busted for doing a compilation. And then I saw somebody get busted as well when they were doing a review of, and even had that in their title. And then there was one person that I saw that they deleted her whole channel because of that as well. I think she was doing a review of something, so you have to be very careful when you do those. So sorry I got way off topic. I just wanted to address the bullying and stupid comments and wasting people's times. Okay, so journals, look at that. Look for it on my website, theunpopularmom.com, of course. And then from there, there is a subscribe placed at the bottom if you scroll all the way down. Actually, I will leave a link to my landing page so that you guys can easily just go ahead and sign up for the freebies, because there will be those freebies. I'll have the mini classes rolling out as well. Other topics on that note too. How to get to 500 subscribers quickly, and then how to get to even higher. My next goal, of course, is the 1,000 mark. Once we do get to the 800, I will be doing a special giveaway, so keep looking out for that. We're at about 680 now. It goes up and down, so who knows? I just tend to post stuff these days and put it up. See what happens. You pretty much have to, because whatever's going to happen is going to happen. On that note, I am going to go ahead and sign off. You guys be nice to each other. Be nice to me too. I do have feelings. And as you apparently see there, and I have no filter either, so whatever is on my mind is out of my mouth. I think most of you people that have been following me for a while already know that. You can't not know it with me. I just say it as it comes out. So anyway, that's why if you guys did see any of those first few comments that got deleted, that's why. And like I said, you come after my kid. That's not even right or fair or anything of that nature. So once again, just for those that were, get a life. That's all. Okay, and that's all the attention I'm going to give to that note. See you guys. Have a great one. Bye.